Okay, Pear Spritzer, scene 1, take 3. Hello, welcome to the Amoretti kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a Pear Spritzer using Amoretti Premium Martini Mix. All right, we have 2 ounces of Amoretti Premium Pear Martini Mix, going with 3 ounces of Pinot Grigio. Scoop these little guys into the glass with the help of Mr. Spoon. Pinot Grigio, Martini Mix, top it off with some seltzer and a fresh sprig of thyme. Look at that gorgeous.
How's it taste, Lauren?
Let's find out. Thank you so much for watching. When you make this drink, don't forget to take a picture and tag us on social media. You can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell down below so you'll never miss a recipe. And make sure to subscribe to our newsletter to stay up to date on all of our promos, discounts, and giveaways. See you next time.